I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating the container. Open Google Forms and pick a blank quiz or convert your form. Once done, go to Settings and enable Make this a quiz so scoring appears. You should decide how to release scores right away or after manual review, and whether respondents see missed questions, correct answers, or point values. This step connects intent to function. Make sure your account has editing rights so these quiz options are available. Now build the assessment. Add questions using types that support automatic grading, multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answer with answer key entries. For each question, assign a point value and open answer key to mark the correct response or acceptable variance. This tells forms how to calculate the score. You can add answer feedback and set partial credit for multi-select items, which improves fairness. Make sure finish by previewing and submitting a full test response so you can confirm scores, feedback, and any point totals. Once satisfied, adjust settings for respondent restrictions, email collection, and question shuffling to match exam conditions. If something goes wrong, scores missing or incorrect, reopen answer key to check for typos, unmatched short answer variants, or wrong question types. Short answer needs exact or rejects matches. After corrections, retest to ensure reliability before publishing to students.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.